Bay 17. Put your hazard lights on. Bay 17, where is it? Where is Bay 17? So it's here. So this is how I'm going to reverse today. Like this. Like that. Oops. Here we go. Wrong place. Wrong place, mate. I thought this is the other side, but doesn't matter. Let's do it again. This is the fun about this job. Come on, lads, hurry up! Hurry up! Oops. There we go. I am in a little bit this way. So if you are not sure, if you think you're going to hit, just see the trailer. It has to be parallel with the other trailer. Okay. Let's see. It's a little bit, I'm still out, so what I do, just a little bit, little touch to get in. I have seen you somewhere. Are you not still with Eddie Stewart now?
What?
I have seen you with Eddie Stewart.
Yeah, but I don't know killer.
That's it, I am in. Oh, yeah. Open the curtains, drop the trailer. This is what you have to do, lads. First of all, I will drop the trailer. I'm in, it's alright. I hope I am in. Yeah, I am. So to drop the trailer, okay? Park brake. Still far away. Sorry, lads. Still far away. I need to get it in. Yeah, because it will hit. This is part of the job. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't get it. It's going too far, this one. Just stop it like that. Do the same again. Parking brake. Oh no. How did I park? You know what? Doesn't matter. I'm not in at all. What's wrong with me? I become rubbish. It's stuck this. These curtains are terrible. You see, I'm supposed to be in. But because I am in rush, doesn't matter. This is what you have to do when you come to Heinz. Don't forget your number plate. You see, I'm really out. I need strong coffee, you know. I still not wake up yet. Put that there. The pin. That's it. And pull your curtains. Uh-oh. You see, I need strong coffee. No wake up yet. Oh, terrible. Look at that. Don't do it like me. It's terrible. Okay.